How we doing today, guys? So, scrapping out this Micropolis. It's actually kind of a neat machine. Um, let's see. Basically, it's just a hard drive storage bay. And each bay had a hard drive here. And there was a power supply on this side, power supply board for each unit. And also, it's made to where you can just keep connecting units. Like this one had 3, but I mean, you could make it as large as you wanted. Because they're connected by these guys right here. You know, that was sitting like that. That one was on the other one. But once I seen how basic of a system it was, I chose not to scrap it out. I do wish that, because it was from 1998. I do wish that I was nicer to it. Took it apart and then put it back together real nice way that it still worked. But it had the little counter. It had 3 counters in it. One of them I already put in my stack there, but I thought I'd show it to you. Anytime you see a counter, guys, there's going to be gold, you know. So that and another piece was the reason that I went ahead and scrapped it. But I wanted to show you something. So this one didn't come out. He's just here for an example. So this was in the first drive. Only half a board, blah, 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 blah. Not that really big of a deal. This guy came out of the second drive. And it's just beautiful, you know. This is what hard drives used to look like every time you took them out. And just to show you guys, this is a modern laptop board. There's 3 chips in this, and 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, maybe 11 or 12 on this guy. But those really ain't the reason I turned the camera on. Dun 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 dun. This is a Seagate Barracuda, and it's a 5 gig, and I think it's like a dual hard drive. I've never seen one like this. It's like 2 hard drives in one. Let me show you this. Oh, left the bottom over there. You know, it's half the height. But I figure, since it was so interesting, that you guys would probably like to see the insides. So let's see here. I was just using that to show you. And this one, there's anything special. Yeah, Mr. Murphy, you convinced me. I went ahead and started pulling my hard drive boards off. Now these, I'm just going to put the lids back on them and sell them as is. I may pull this little chip off before I do that, but you guys know what those are. They're now let's see. This one had 3 discs. This one has 4. That's one cool part about hard drives, is you never know what's going to be on the inside. I've seen them with as little as 1 and as much as 5. And sometimes Sometimes there is some nice stuff on the inside of these, but for the most part, they're kind of boring. Yeah, that's what I thought it was. So just a plug. Alright, and here's your magnets, which you guys know, neodymium's really super hard dry or super heavy magnet. So let's pull this guy apart. I noticed from the side it looked like there were more boards in there. So this is this is as far as I've come. I have not looked on the inside yet. Okay. So really nice board. Plug. I wanted to see. Oh, okay. So just extra pieces. Ew, that's pretty gross. A lot of MLCCs. A few chips on the back there. Let's get rid of this. Ew, it's sticky. That's just freaking gross. Alright, now, let's see if I can pull it apart. Ah. Man, they put screws in these things. Oh. Which one is it? Not that one. Guessing with those four gone, we'll get access. Maybe not. Let me see. Well, just in case, pull these guys out here. He doesn't want to come out. Oh, I bet I just figured out where the others are. You guys probably all sitting there saying, check under the stickers. Alright. Yep, sure enough. One, two, three. What do you think? Is there one under Barracuda here? Yeah, I think so. So my phone just got a notification. I don't know if you guys heard that. I'm on. I'm filming this with my business line. Uh-oh. Okay. Go. Okay, let me set you guys down here for just a second. There, you can like stare at hard drive boards. Yeah, like I said, I really wanted to make a video taking this thing apart, but there was like, I opened it up, there were 3 hard drives and 3 power supply boards. That was it. And I thought, well, that's really not that interesting. And apologize for just leaving you guys over there right now. Can't really. There we go. Here we go. Man, I think he stripped my bit out. The other one, anyway. Let me see if I can get this other one out. Alright. These 2 little guys, I'm guessing they're just to hold those pins in place. Okay. I don't see. Hang on. Oh. Huh. Okay, I know Peanut Gallery is saying, hey Mike, why don't you cut the wire? Or not the wire. The sticker. So let's get rid of the sticker. So as you can probably guess, I didn't think it was going to be this difficult to tear this guy apart. Let's see. There we go. Alright. I'm trying to film this without turning it off also. One thing I hate about this phone, it's very sensitive. You touch any button or touch anywhere on the screen and it turns it off. Ding. All right. So like I said, I had no intention of opening this, but then decided to just moments ago. 3 pins. It's going to be a connection piece to those. How many hard drives we got? Wow. Counting 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 platters. I really did not expect that many to be in there. I mean, I was guessing like 6, 7, or 8. So that's cool. And I think I will actually go ahead and finish taking him apart and keep these platters. I may actually even just keep all of these. I've already got it tore down. So, guys, this went on long enough. I really expected a 4-minute video. So, I apologize if you're like super bored, and if I remember, I'll cut that piece out. I'm out of here. Have a wonderful day.